If something happened to you, would your family be okay? It's a critical question many families are struggling with now. In fact, the number of families with life insurance policies has hit a 50-year low.
Morning anchor Matt Austin has the top 6 things you need to know to make sense of life insurance.
Well, it's not a cheerful question, but it's important. Do you need life insurance? For most of us, the answer is yes. But right now, 30% of American households are uncovered.
Do you have life insurance?
No, I don't.
Why not?
The reason why is because of the economy. We're looking for that. We know that there is a need for life insurance, but just trying to track it down has been very difficult.
The scary fact is 4 in 10 households with children say they would have trouble paying their bills if the family's primary breadwinner suddenly died. But shopping for life insurance can be confusing.
You try to balance what your budget is compared to the cost, and it really isn't very easy anymore to try to really find the information.
And while every family will have different needs, there are some basic rules you should follow. First, determine how much insurance coverage to buy.
You want an amount of insurance to pay off all your debts and obligations, which can be a mortgage, student loans, car loans, okay? Then you'll also want an amount of money that can replicate your income.
Recent statistics show raising a child from birth to 18 can cost upwards of $305,000, and that doesn't cover college costs. So, tip number 2, don't forget to include future expenses like college tuition or retirement savings for a spouse. Tip number 3, buy term insurance. It covers you for a set period of time, generally 10, 20, or 30 years, and is the most affordable kind of life insurance.
If you're a male and you're 35 to 40 years old, a $500,000 term insurance policy, 20-year term, can cost $400 to $600 a year.
The next tip, shop around for the best deal. You can check prices online or call your local insurance agent to get you quotes from several companies. And number 5, keep in mind that you'll pay less if you're young and healthy.
As soon as you're thinking about the topic, get on it and do it. Don't wait, because if you're in good health history now, something, your life can change on a dime.
And finally, life insurance, like life, changes. Make adjustments as needed when you marry, divorce, have a child, or must start caring for an aging parent. Guard, Lauren.
Wow. That's tough. I have life insurance, but I like the universal, so it feels like I'm saving at least, kind of like a mini savings account.
Well, I think that was helpful to help people weed through it, because there are lots of different options, and it's good to really do your homework.
Yeah, and I think everybody needs it. You got to figure out what your plan is.
I probably wouldn't go without it for sure. All right, to help you figure out how much